Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Friday, February 17th. Time is 8:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, quick rundown. Trickled down on crude overnight. So, just kind of stagnant at the moment. And trickle up on the dollar like it's supposed to. And we've had a somewhat reversal around the London session. Going in there, and the same thing here for crude, being that they work inverse of each other. So, but at this particular moment, volume is just dead. I mean, there's just nothing going on. So, looking at the prints, not seeing anything. This chop, whole lot of chop. So, we'll see if we can get into a trade today or not, and play those numbers. So, what I'm looking for is probably a test off of the dollar. I mean, the value area high on the dollar, and then, possibly just channeling for the day. And if that's the case, then I expect CL to probably channel or bounce off of this value area low right here, 52.94. And just kind of play this range. So, but I'm going to need some volume to be able to really tell that one, because there's nothing going on just yet. So this is exceptionally low volume for this time of the morning. But, I mean, it's Friday too. So after yesterday's move, I think probably both sides are a little tired. There was a lot of money made yesterday from both the Bears on this run down and the Bulls on this run back up. So, we'll see, and we'll just kind of play it by ear. But, all right, I'm going to watch for a bit and see if we can get into a trade. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, we're starting to get some prints here at 5302, 5301. Need another set for a cluster. But my thinking is we will push on down 9 to 19. So that would be 52. And that is right here in this institutional zone. 94 is the value area low. So I think we may come and test that again if we get the actual prints that I'm looking for here. And reverse from that point there. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am short 10 contracts, 5303. I'm going to look to pull all 10 off at about 7 ticks. What is that? 3, 2, 1, 0. 07, 53, or 5297 rather. And let me set this up really quick. And then at that point, I'm going to start looking for the reversal to go ahead and start heading back north at this point here. So short 10 contracts, 5303. Look to pull all of them off at 7 ticks. And stop is going to be sitting, let's see, 03, 6, 7, 08. Stop is sitting at 5308 right now. Well, it will be here in just a second. So this is just something I've been thinking about over the past couple days, kind of watching where the traps come in, and just taking advantage of that as well. Stop and submit. Okay, so that's all set up there. So we're gonna see if we can get those off down here at 97 and start looking for a reversal somewhere in this area. So still not quite the cluster I like, but it's getting there. So 5302, 5293 is the 9 area. So, and that will be right there, one tick off the value area low. Alright guys, be back and we'll watch and see how this turns out. Alright, I went ahead and pulled those off at 99. So that was 4 ticks. 3, 2, 1, 0, yeah. 99. So 4 ticks at that one there. So pulled off all 10 contracts. And now I'm still going to watch and see if we're going to push on down. We're still not in the 9 to 19 range yet. And I'll possibly look to pull the trigger north at that point if I start seeing some absorption there. So that was kind of a new style of trading for me. Just seeing if I could take advantage of the traps getting set and see if we'll head north. All right, be back shortly. Okay. Here's what I'm looking at. The dollar is broken into the value area, and it is broken past the 50-day moving average. Still 15 minutes left on this bar, though, to watch where it closed. So my thinking is this should push down to around the negative 5 deviation, around 52.91, and get hung up in this area for the pullback. So, and then it should start breaking back north again, and I will be looking at somewhere in this area to enter a long position. So it really depends on what the dollar continues to do, though. So that's my thought process, and we'll watch and see if it works out that way. All right, be back shortly. All right, it is a big jump, and I missed this trade. It didn't come to the level that I was thinking it would, and looking at the amount of volume, I guess it probably wouldn't. So now I'm just going to wait and see if we get a pullback again, probably around the 8 moving average or so, and possibly look to take it long. But this joker's not looking like it's going to turn back around. So that's just one of those things. You just kind of miss trades on occasion. So dollar did end up closing below the 50 moving average, and I'm expecting that guy to keep on shooting on up from this point there. So, all right, I'm going to watch and see. And this might be my only trade, that short scalp that I had for 4 ticks. All right, be back shortly. Okay, guys, we're going to give this a shot here. Long 10 contracts, 53.09. Look to pull half off at 53.19. Up here, stop is going to be sitting at 52.99. Do I need to go that low? Nope, 53.01. That's going to be my stop. 7 tick stop at this point. I see dollar starting to push up, so a little bit of concern here, but we'll see if we can actually work this one here. 53.19. 5. Sale. And that's a limit there. Okay, and let me watch and see here, and then stop 53.01. All right, be back shortly. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 53.14 for 5 ticks. I don't really like how this dollar is sitting right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to 53.08 at this moment. Let's see here, and that'll leave me a 1 tick stop. So 5 contracts long, 53.09. Stop sitting at 53.08. And half off at 5 ticks at 53.14. All right, guys, be back in a minute. All right, let me get you caught up. I had to step away for a bit. I pulled one off at 53.29. Right here. Right there for, that's for 20 ticks. And I'm still long 4 contracts, 53.09. So I did decide to break on up, testing the 50 period moving average right now. So dollar's gaining strength as well. So somebody's going to have to bite eventually. And I do believe it probably will be the dollar, as I'm still thinking crude's going to have a bullish finish for the week there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go back, and we're actually in a comfortable position right now. to keep scaling out. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to, let's see, where are we at? This high volume node is 23. That is up there. Nope, can't go there. 13. Alright, 53.13. That's going to be my stop. And that will lock in 4 ticks. Yeah, 4 ticks. Alright guys, I'm going to watch and I'll be back shortly. So here we are just putting along and still lack of volume, which only means one thing. I forgot to roll over my contracts. So, but it's okay. I can go ahead and trade today and finish it on up. It's not like I have to go down to Cushing, Oklahoma and pick up 1 million barrels of West Texas intermediate oil or anything like that. So I'm going to roll them over as soon as this trade is done. But I'm going to go ahead and stick with this one and work as much as we can. Let's see here. Move my stop up to 53.16. That locks in, I don't know, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7 ticks at this point. And just kind of watching and seeing. So it's actually going in convergence with oil right now. So, so we're just utilizing risk management and just kind of scaling out where we can at this point here. All right, guys, I'm going to pause the video and see how much more we can work with this trade. All right, be back shortly. Okay, stop just hit, and there's that something had to break. So, yeah, when dollars start pushing up, this really had no choice but to come down, being that dollar tends to be the leading indicator and crude follows inversely at that. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up and I'm going to wrap today up and roll my charts up. So, what I pull out? 20 ticks or 30 ticks? So, I don't know. I'll figure it out when I watch the video and upload it. All right, okay day. Not bad day for Friday. So, you can wrap up and enjoy the rest of this day. So, all right, you guys have a good weekend, and we will see you Monday, hopefully. All right, bye.